Hello everyone, this is another video of Math Genius Tutors, and today we're going to do a lesson and tutorial about 6th grade math unit integers. So we're going to explain how integers, and we're going to use integers to solve real world scenarios. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, what are integers? Integers can include like regular positive whole numbers. They could include positive whole numbers. Integers also include 0. And not only the positive whole numbers, but also the negative. So here, the number line shows 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Numbers that are positive and a 0 in the center. And the 0 divides -1 and 1. So also, integers also include -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, and so on. It goes forever. Same as the positive side. Those are all integers. But these positive numbers also are known as natural numbers, or just positive, just whole numbers. No, but natural numbers. And the integers also include the negative side. That's like a difference. So let's solve some problems using this. So we're gonna find the opposites of several numbers. Let's do this one. We're gonna find the opposite of 3, 4, -2, -8. So the opposite of 3, well, is -3. And opposite of, first of all, before we go on to the next question, I'm going to explain why 3's opposite is -3. Well, first of all, the difference is between 3 and -3. If you do the number line, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You know it's 6. You can notice. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you could go like this, like +1 plus like 6 in all, or like -6. And the reason why the opposite, this is like the opposite, is because obviously, for example, opposite is something like, for example, opposites could be like up. When you go up, you could say up, opposite of up is down. Also, same as mathematics, here in math, opposite of positive is negative, and opposite of negative is positive. And that's how 3 is -3, so +4 is same, -4. But notice as it goes like farther, the distance gets farther by 2. Look, from 3 is total 6, but from 4 to -4 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It was additional 2. It added more, but in the 1, there's only 1, 2, 2, like spaces. And okay, so now let's separate this. Let's do it like this. This is way better to separate. Okay, now the opposite of 2 is 2. Because obviously, negative, opposite of negative is positive. So it'll be positive 2. You could just write 2 or just add a plus if you want. For negative 8, the opposite of 8, obviously, it will be 8. Obviously, there's this problem's not on the number line, but still, you could still imagine. Obviously, you should know that the opposite, without using the number line, you should know the opposite of 8 is positive 8. So now we're gonna use integers to solve real worlds, to explore real world scenarios. So first of all, we're gonna look at some keywords that are okay, so first let's make a chart here. I could draw a better line than that. Okay, so keywords, this is gonna be the negative, this is gonna be the positive. Okay, so there's in the problems, there's gonna be maybe with Bob is gonna withdraw $5 from his account. Withdraw is subtracting. He's taking the money out of his account, which is negative, which is subtracting. So his money in his account will decrease by $5. So keywords here will be decrease for the negative. Also, subtract. Subtract is obviously, it's obvious. Let's add also 2 in the positive. Well, maybe the government added, so the government, well, you could say the government built more factories, fast food factories, 10 more fast food factories in the US, for example. More is also positive, and also add. Oh, also in the decrease side, it could be in the negative keywords, it'll be maybe used. Maybe you had 18 clothes, and out of that you have 18 clothes and you used 10 of them. Yeah, it could be possible, but maybe, used. Also for the add, it could be increase. Say, maybe the store manager increased the price of apples by $5. So okay, for the negative keywords, also it could be maybe down. For example, like the helicopter went down 3,000 meters. No, let's say 300 feet. So it could be down also. That's a good one. And opposite of down, up, for the positive, you could say that for up, so the prices, the temperature of a city, Greensville, for example, just a made-up city, when the temperature of Greensville went up by 10 degrees, 0.1 degrees. That could be an example. Or 1 degree. Another example could be fall. The temperature fell 2 degrees in 1 hour. That could be it. And for this, it could be rise. You could say that the stock price rised to 10 cents, for example. That could be an example. And there's also many more, but we're gonna do it till there. Record it till there. And these keyword words will be very important in order to solve real-world scenarios using integers. But for now, this will be the end. And we're gonna also have a practice like quiz in the description below, and it's gonna be about like real-world scenarios, since we like taught you the examples of like the keywords for the negative side, the positive sides. You will be for sure able to solve them easier than we're not telling this. This is pretty important. This is pretty important indeed. Okay. So, I hope you found this video helpful and also enjoyed the 6th grade math video. And please like and subscribe to our channel for more other videos we have. There's a lot of videos we have, including this. So, I hope you enjoyed, and take care, and bye-bye.